Hi everyone, welcome back to TerraTern. Today I would like to talk about one of the most crucial part of the PTE academic reading section, that is fill in the blanks. This task may look simple but it is often trips up test takers. However, with the right strategies, you can approach these questions with a more confidence and accuracy. The fill in the blank task tests your vocabulary, grammar and understanding of a context. You are given a text with a missing words and your job is to select the right word to complete the sentences. So how can you improve your chances of getting these questions right? Let me share with you some key strategies. First, understanding the context and a theme. The first hack is to read the entire passage before attempting to fill in the blanks. Why? Because the passage will usually revolve around a specific theme or a topic. Understanding this overall theme will help you to select words that make sense in that context. For example, if the passage is about economic recovery, words like stimulate or boost are likely to be appropriate, where words like devast or collapse would probably be wrong. Second, look for a collocations. Next, we have collocation words that often appear together. Native speakers use these words combination without even thinking about them. So you should. For example, phrases like make a decision or a heavy rain are common, and once you familiarize yourself with these patterns, you will recognize the correct word pairing more easily. If you are filling in the sentence that says the conference was a huge, you might think about the phrase huge success because that's a common collocation. Other options like huge opportunity or a huge failure don't fit us not naturally. Third, pay attention to grammar. Grammar is your next big clue. If the sentence structure requires a noun, a verb or an adjective, make sure to eliminate any options that do not match the required word form. Grammar patterns are foundations of these tasks. Take this sentence for example. The company recent dash in technology has boosted its profit. Since the blank come after a recent, which is typically followed by a noun, the correct answer should be investment, not invest or invested. Fourth, use logical and reasoning. This brings us to our next hack, logic. You do not always need to know every word in the passage. Sometimes you can use a simple reasoning to eliminate incorrect answers. If the sentence refers to a positive outcome like a business succeeding, you can rule out negative words. For instance, in the sentence, the medicine must be taken on an empty dash. Logic tells you that the word should be stomach because other options like room or streets are clearly illogical. Fifth, eliminate unlikely options. Speaking of eliminating options, when in a doubt, remove the words that clearly don't fit the context or a grammar. This is a straightforward but effective hack. Narrow down your choices to the most likely candidates and your odds to choosing the correct word will improve. Sixth, look at surrounding words. Often the words surrounding the blank can provide clues. Adjectives, prepositions and verbs can help you to identify the type of word that need to be filled in. For instance, if you see highly before a blank, you will know you are looking for an adjective such as successful rather than success or succeeding. Seventh, watch for a transition word. Finally, pay attention to transition words like however, therefore or because. These words help you understand the flow of the text and the relationship between the ideas. For example, the words however signals a contrast, so you know that the word you should choose reflect the shift in a meaning. Let me give you an example. The team worked hard dash they were unable to finish the project on time. The word however would be correct here because it contrasts the team efforts with the fact that they did not meet their deadline. In the end, I would like to say by using these 7 hacks, understanding the context, recognizing collocation, following grammar rules, applying logic, eliminating unlikely options, analyzing surrounding words and noting transition words, you will be well prepared to tackle the fill in the blank section for the PTE reading test. These strategies not only improve your accuracy but also speed up your decision making process, which is a crucial when time is limited. Remember, practice is key. The more you apply these strategies, the more intuitive they will become. Ready to take the next step towards your dream career abroad? Get a free consultation today. Simply fill out the form. Link is in the description and pinned comments below. Don't miss this opportunity to get an expert advice tailored just for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TerraTern for more tips on achieving your goals abroad. See you in the next video.